Good morning, students. Today we are going to see a new chapter, chapter 6, Information Processing. In this, we are going to see about tetromino. Before seeing about the tetromino, it is essential to have an idea of domino and trimino. Domino is a joining two squares of size 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, edge to edge. Such formation is called as domino. This is the example for domino. These are the squares of 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Here the two squares are joined with its edge. The next we are going to see is a trinomio. The name tri itself, it says that tri means 3. That is the 3 squares along with their edges are joined. Then we get the formation called trinomios. These are the 6 formations of trinomios, that is the horizontal, a vertical and L-shaped trinomio. This L-shape can be rotated into as 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degree. We will get some other trinomios. Now let us see what is tetromio. Like trinomio, tetro also, from the name itself we can say that tetra means 4. That is, when 4 squares are joined with their edges, we get the formation called trinomios. These are the common shapes of trinomios. When we rotate each shapes, we will get some other trinomios. That is, the horizontal tetrominoes will get the vertical will converted as a horizontal, and this L-shaped tetrominoes can be rotated as a 90 degree, 180 and 270. We will get 3 more tetrominoes. Same way like for these other tetrominoes also. Thus, the formation of 4 squares formed by joining edge to edge are called as tetrominoes. Let's see exercise 6.1. Here, this is the exercise based on tetrominoes. First one, a tetromino is a shape formed by dash squares together. That is 4 squares. Second, draw a tetromino which passes symmetry. Symmetry means a line which divides the shapes into equal halves. Here we can take any tetrominoes. This is the tetromino because it has 4 squares. Then you have to draw the line of symmetry. You can draw any line, that is vertical or horizontal or slanting. This is the example for the symmetry line for tetromino. Third one, complete the table. Here they had given the tetrominoes, and if you rotate these tetrominoes, what are the shapes you are going to get? That you have to fill in this table. The first one they had given us the L-shaped tetromino. If we rotate it as a 90 degree, this L shape will becomes the downward L, and we rotate to 180 degree. The L shape will comes as an upward. If you rotate again, that is, this L shape is rotating in a clockwise direction. That is first step. Then second one, and if you rotate for 370 degree, this will becomes like this, upward L, and for 360 degree again it comes to L shape. And the second tetromino they had given as the Z shape. This is the horizontal. When we rotate to 90 degree, it becomes vertical. And again, if you rotate to 180 degree, that is again we are rotating 190 degree. Again, this will becomes horizontal. Then, if you rotate for 270 degree, it becomes vertical. Then for 360 degree, it comes to its original position. Same way, third one also, this tetrominoes is facing downwards. When we are rotating for 90 degree, it faces towards the left hand side of you. That is, this like this. It faces towards your left hand side. If you rotate for 180 degree, it faces upwards. And again, 90 degree we are rotating. That is, the degree of this terminal is 270 degree. It faces right side. Then for 360 degree, it comes to its original position. Fifth one, Shade the figure completely by using 5 tetromino shapes only once. They had given some squares. Here we have to use 5 tetrominos to complete these shapes. For that, first we are using this vertical tetrominos here. This is the first shape for vertical tetromino. And the next we are going to use is the upward facing tetromino, that is these 4 squares. And for the third tetromino we are using these 4 squares. This is the third shape of tetromino. And still we are going to find out 2 more tetrominos, that is this one, L-shaped tetromino. And the fifth termino is this Z shape. Then we can put some other symbol. These are the 5 shapes of tetrominos. First one is a vertical. The next one is the upward facing tetromino. The third one is the square. And fourth one is the L-shaped tetromino. And the fifth tetromino is a Z-shaped tetromino. Now let's see the sixth sum. Match the tetrominos of same type. Here they are given the tetrominos for matching. First one is the L shape. Therefore, you have to see where is the L-shaped tetromino. Here we are having L shape. Therefore, it is the first one. And the second one is a downward. For downward, you have to match it for upward. Therefore, this is the matching for second one. The third one is given as the Z-shaped tetromino. The Z-shaped tetromino is here. Therefore, the matching is third one. And for fourth one, it is given as horizontal. For horizontal, we can take it as a vertical tetromino. Thank you.